Welcome back to Vegan Sing. Today we're making some jalapeno poppers, the perfect combination of crunch and creamy with a little bit of spice. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Aajo chaliye. Kiddha? Simple 4-ingredient recipe. Let's start with jalapeños, the star of the dish. Fun fact about jalapeños. Actually, it's not a fact, it's just a story about me and jalapeños. I used to call them jalapeños. Where's my fellow jalapeno team? To prepare the jalapeños, let's cut the stems and then cut the jalapeños in half. And afterwards, let's go ahead and devein and remove the seeds. I just use a spoon to scoop it out. Leave some seeds if you're feeling spicy. To prepare the filling, I have 3 tablespoons of vegan chive cream cheese, plus I'm adding 2 teaspoons of each garlic powder and pepper flakes. For the crust, just go ahead and toast some French bread and just crumble it up. But I was a little overzealous. You know what? Use a grinder instead. It's a lot easier and gets your bread really nice and fine for the perfect crust. Assembly time. Stuff those peppers and sprinkle the breadcrumbs. Drizzle some olive oil. This will lead to an amazing crunch once baked. Preheat at 400 degrees and bake for 20 minutes. Took it out of the oven. Looks amazing. Serve it with your favorite dressing. I'm using tomato sauce. Let's go in for the big bite. Hopefully it's not too spicy. Oh, that is really good. Perfect combination of creamy and crunch. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate you as always. And I just can't take just one bite.